What's going on, my YouTube fam? Just a quick video right here. I've made this little drawing, and it just shows you how to wire the fans to the relay with a Holley Terminator X Max. So you got your battery here, you got your fan. You can run the ground wire straight to the battery if you want, or you can run it to the frame, maybe like the core support, or somewhere where it can get a good ground. Then you want to run power wire from the battery all the way to terminal 86 and 30. You just tap into the wire you run from the battery, just run it off to 30 and up to 86. And then the power wire from the fan, that goes to terminal 87. And then you have the coming out the harness, I think it's like the input output plugs or whatever. You got a gray wire with a yellow stripe, and that's the ground trigger. That goes to terminal 85. And once you've done all this, you can run you a wire, either touch it to the frame or connect it to the battery somehow. And when I connected the trigger wire to terminal 85, I had like a little butt connector to connect the wire. So what I did, I took the ground wire and stuck it in the back of the ground. And as soon as I touched it, you heard the relay click and the fans power up. So that's how I checked it to make sure it's right. Now when it's running and it get up to operating temperature, the computer will ground out the trigger wire, the ground trigger wire, the gray and yellow one. And the fan will come on, engine cools down, fan shuts off. That's about it. I mean, if you're doing two fans, then you just do the same thing twice. But you don't have to run, separate wires. You could tap into this wire and go over to the second fan, and same with all this stuff. I have a little, let me see if I can pull it up here from Holley. See if you guys can see this. Hold on a second. But that's from Holley. And on the Terminator X Max, you don't have this wire coming off. That's from a sniper system. But Holley said this is the same way that you do the Terminator X stuff with. Try to zoom in so you guys can see the relays. See the little diagrams, how they got it. Well, I was stuck on trying to figure out how to wire these fans up. And I tried to call Holley, and man, I was on hold for every bit of 2 hours. Finally got through to them, and they emailed me this. And man, it was tremendous help. So I'll let you guys go. I just wanted to share this with you real quick. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'll get back with you as soon as possible. All right, peace.